and today we will discuss some of the myths for the listening test. So the listening test basically is of 40 minutes. 30 minutes is your exam time and 10 minutes is your transfer time. So 10 minutes you are given to transfer your answers from the question paper to the answer sheet. So the first myth is no extra transfer time is provided. As I have alluded before, you have 10 minutes to transfer your answers to your answer sheet. Second is each candidate is not provided a separate headset. Well, each candidate is provided a separate headset. There is not a common speaker that plays the audio. You are all provided a separate headset through which you can listen to your audio for the exam. The third is reading instructions for each question is not important. Well, reading instructions is very important. So, for example, if the instruction of the question says write no more than 2 words, so please do not write more than 2 words. This will basically hinder your marks because your answer will be wrong if you write more than 3 words. Okay. Fourth is translate everything to your mother tongue to score high. Now, this is something that I often see students doing during the reading module, but they also do it in the listening module as well. They try to basically, translate it into their native language. So, for example, if in the audio the word dusk comes in, right? So, what do students do? They will translate this into Ratri. Okay, but Ratri and dusk mean two different things. Ratri is night, while dusk means evening when the sun has set. Fifth is no practice is required. Well, for every module you need practice, whether be it listening, reading, writing, or speaking. Practice makes your answers perfect. It also helps for the fact that you can work in pressurizing environment. Okay, so you always have to practice so that you can get good scores in your IELTS test. So these are some of the myths for the listening test. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button